I'm Anil Kumar, and now let us practice how to subtract rational expressions with monomial denominator. When we say monomial denominator, we mean denominator is just one term. We have 4 examples here. We'll understand the technique and do some of them. The first one is x over 3 minus 2x divided by 7. To subtract, we should have a common denominator. Now here the common denominator can be 21. To get 21, we need to multiply the first term by 7 over 7, right? That is 1. 7 over 7 is 1. Times 1 gives you the same number. Now 7 times 3 is 21. The other number should be multiplied by 3 over 3, right? That will give you a common denominator of 21, and then you can subtract the numerators. So let's do that. So we get 7 times x is 7x in the numerator, and here we have minus 2 times x is 6x, and the common denominator is 7 times 3, 21. Well, this time I wrote common denominator in this fashion. This is also a good way of writing. Now 7x minus 6x is x. They are like terms so that we can add or subtract them. So x over 21 is the result. So that is how we can subtract and simplify. Let's do the next one. Here it is 5 divided by 6ab plus 1 divided by 8ac. Now what can be the common denominator? Well, as far as the numbers are concerned, 6 and 8, common denominator we're looking for is the number 24, correct? 24 is a multiple of both 6 and 8. In fact, the lowest multiple, which is common to both. That is how we get the number part. Variables a, b, a and c. So we need a, b from here and c from there. So a, b, c is what we need. How can we get a, b, c in the denominator along with coefficient of 24? We need to multiply this by, let's look into denominator, 4 for the number and c for variable. That means 4c. Let's multiply numerator by 4c. What do we get? 4 times 5 is 20, so we get 20c. So that becomes the numerator. Similarly, we'll look into the next term. 1 over 8ac, we want to make it 24. That means multiply by 3 over 3, right? That gives you 24. ac, we are missing b. We have to multiply it by b also. So we have to multiply by 3b and divide by 3b the next term. That will give us 3b in the numerator and 3 times 8, 24, abc in the denominator. Now the denominators are common, so we can add the numerators. So we can write this as 24abc, just as I wrote here, and combine the numerator, which is 20c plus 3b. These are not like terms, so we get 2 terms in the numerator as shown. Follow these techniques and do part C and D. Part C is 4 divided by 15x squared y minus 3x divided by 10y squared. Now what should be the common denominator? 15 and 10, it should be number 30, right? 15 times 2 is 30, 10 times 3 is 30. How about the variable part? Variable parts, we need x squared, we need y, but we have y squared. So we need all x squared and y squared. That is the common denominator, okay? So in this case, the common denominator should be, let me write down, 30 x squared y squared. How are you going to get 30x squared y squared? This is the next question you should be asking. I have to multiply by 2 over 2. And as far as the variables are concerned, we need y squared. We have only y. So 2y over 2y. That is how we are going to get. How about the next term? We have to multiply this by 3 over 3 to get 30 from 10. And we are missing x squared, so we'll multiply by x squared over x squared. Well, do this multiplication and write down your answer. Now think about this in a similar fashion and solve. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.